Package managers. They are essential for installing apps and services on Linux. Apps on Linux do not work like they are on Windows or Mac. In Windows, you need to install an app. You would download a .exe file with an installer and you run it and you install your app. But in Linux, there are package managers. Package managers can either be used in the terminal or a software manager app that comes with most distros, and these package managers have packages and dependencies for a lot of apps. Each package manager, if operated from the terminal, have their own similar or different syntax. Each distro comes with a package manager. A very popular and easy one is apt. Apt is seen in most Debian/Ubuntu based distros like Pop! OS. Apt has a very easy and understandable syntax. For example, apt install Firefox. Also, package managers don't work like this. Package managers, including apt, need root access to install packages, and you can use the sudo command for that. For example, sudo apt install Firefox. This basically tells the computer to execute anything that comes after sudo with administrative privileges. With this, you will have to enter the password to execute any sudo command. So, here are some common examples of package managers that come with distros. Number 1. Arch Linux with pacman. It's not a pacman game, it stands for pack as in package and man as in manager. It has a very hard or confusing syntax. For example, instead of pacman install Firefox, they decided the syntax would be pacman-s Firefox. I know, confusing, right? And oh boy, there's pacman-sy Firefox, pacman-syy, pacman-sy. A lot of confusing syntax. Arch also has A for AUR packages, I'm pretty sure. And I don't really recommend using AUR because it's repositories from users. I think you should only use AUR if the package you want to install is not available on the default repositories. Number 2 is Debian. Debian probably has the most popular package manager, apt. We just talked about it. It's really easy, effective, and also what I use personally. Now some other ones are DNF for RHEL distros, that's Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and Fedora, which is based on RHEL. There's also Nix, which we'll talk about right now. Nix is a package manager that is different from other package managers. Nix creates immutable and sandboxed like environments for packages, meaning you can roll back, and it's also the most declarative package manager. It comes with NixOS, which is a pretty cool distro because there is literally one config file for your entire system, and you can roll back to a previous version, or if an update broke your system, which is also very rare. Now Windows and Mac also have package managers. Like in Windows, there's pre-built winget, and it's pretty much the same as Linux package managers. Winget install, winget search, and there are some third-party package managers like Chocolatey for Windows, nothing related to chocolates, and Homebrew for Mac. Now of course there are a lot of other package managers like Zyper for OpenSUSE, SlackPKG for Slackware. A few popular ones are Flatpak, which Flatpaks are kinda weird when it comes to installing stuff like this. Flatpak install, Flatpak, flathub.org something. It's confusing. There's also a Snap from Canonical, a very slow and useless package manager. That's my personal opinion. Another way to get apps on Linux, in a similar way to using .exe files in Windows, is .appimage files. It's a single file, you open it and you get a functioning app without any install stuff. So that's it for today's video. You make sure to sudo apt subscribe to me, and as well as like, comment your suggestions and corrections, and also share to anyone interested in the stuff, which almost nobody is interested in Linux other than Linux users themselves. But yeah, goodbye and see you in the next video.